Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Google Camera on your smartphone. Google Camera is a camera software which makes your photos so much better than your stock camera app. To install this app, first you need to open Google Play Store and then search for Gcaminator and install this app. Gcam automatically adjusts white balance and many other aspects of your photo just better than the stock camera app. When the app is installed, open it and now it will automatically check for Camera 2 API module is enabled or disabled. If it is disabled in your phone, it does not work. If it is enabled, now you can luckily install Google Camera mod on your phone. After that, at the bottom you can see your Gcam. Tap on that and now you will show your app version, which is Google Camera version, which will be installed on your smartphone, and then click install it. It will start downloading. After it is downloaded, you need to give it required permissions to install the app. After you give its permissions, now you can install the Gcam mod. After the app is installed, now you can go home and open Gcam. And now you have successfully installed Gcam mod on your smartphone. Now I will show you a sample photo. In this photo you can see the picture is so beautiful and nice. And this is how you will install Google Camera mod in your smartphone if you have enabled the Camera 2 API.